Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Rancilio Silvia after replacing the boiler. And we actually had to replace the pump too and replace the screen. So it needed a lot of work. So let's go ahead and test the steam. So you get nice strong steam. Empty out the water. And then this is what I like to do to prevent the heating element from burning out, is I do the steam first, and then I do a cooling flush. And this will prevent the boiler from going empty, which is often the reason why the heating element goes bad. Alright, cooling flush. You see the customer has this set at 220. That might be a little high. I would probably set it at 205 myself, or 200 to 205, but I'm not going to adjust it. And go ahead and make the coffee. If the customer wants to adjust it, they can. Of course, you can see the temperature does drop pretty fast, so that makes sense too. Because we're pumping, as the pump is pumping, we're pumping cold water into the boiler. But yeah, it does stay pretty close to 205 once you get going, which is nice. And now it's climbing. Maybe just a little hot. Nice shot of espresso, really good crema. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.